guys, what's up? It's Nerline. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna talk a little bit back about me growing up Haitian. So before I start with this story, guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so now. Go tell a friend so they can tell a friend and tell a friend to tell a friend. So that way we can get this channel going. There's gonna be a lot, and there's a lot you guys don't want to miss out on. So please subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Anyhow, guys, let's get started with the video. As it titled, Growing Up Haitian. Growing up Haitian for me was not too bad at all. It was actually pretty fun until I get to middle school. In middle school, that's when it all get bad. Not 6th grade. It started for me on the 7th grade. Because 6th grade, I was in a middle school where there was a whole lot. I feel like there was more Haitian than anything else. But when I moved, like from one little area to another, I moved to an area where there was not that many Haitian at the time. Not at all. It was all Spanish, Black American, and white. So anyhow, there was this one black girl. She did not like Haitian girls. Like, I don't know, maybe somebody did something wrong to her. I don't know. This girl, you don't even have to look at her. You don't even have to say nothing to her for her to don't like you. Like, I don't get it. If I don't do anything to you, I mind my own business. Just leave me alone. But she was not that type. She's the type, if she knows you're Haitian, she's going to bother you. Me, I was warned before I even get in contact with her. Before I even laid eyes on her, somebody already warned me. I'm not going to say her name, so that's why I'm going to call her Yum Yum. Yum Yum was the worst. So in 7th grade, I went to a different middle school. It was pretty okay at the beginning for me until she found out that I was Haitian. We ride the same bus, mind you. We live, I would say, maybe 10 minutes from each other. Not even, maybe 5 minutes from each other. But we never communicated. I was the quiet type. I never really was in people's business. If you don't include me in it, I'm not even going to open my mouth. I was that type because I'm the type who don't get in people's business. But if you're bothering me, I'm going to defend myself, point blank. And I think that goes for anybody. If somebody's bothering you, you're going to defend yourself. Anyhow, long story short, guys, we were in a school bus going home. I'm Haitian. Growing up Haitian for me, I did not have a car. If I missed the bus, I would rather walk to school or stay my butt home. There was no rides, nobody to give me a ride. Either walk to school or stay home if I missed that bus. So one day coming back from school, we were sitting I like sitting in the back, so that way I watch everything. I'm sitting minding my own business, head down and all. Here she come with one of her shoes. Smell this. I look left, I look right. I'm like, maybe there's somebody behind me she's talking to. She's like, no, B, I'm talking to you. You need to smell this and tell me what you think. I'm like, girl, you need to take your shoes off my face. In my family, they used to call me Tikok. In Haitian, that's what Tikok means. Tikok is somebody who don't play. Like, once I'm pissed off, I'll beat you up. I don't care who you are. Don't piss me off. I don't bother people. I mind my own business. I don't bother people. But if you ask for it, you better be ready for it, because they're gonna bring it. I don't fight anymore, guys. I do not fight anymore. It's not classy. It's not cool. I'm older, not wiser, so I do not fight anymore. But that does not mean if somebody's coming for me, I will not defend myself. And I even told my kids too, don't bother nobody. Don't bother nobody at all. But if somebody's like literally being in your face, invading your privacy, then you need to fight back and like self-defense, baby. Don't let nobody run you over. Point blank. It's not happening. No. So I'm talking to her calmly. I'm like, you need to get out of my face. And she think because she got her little friends like clapping for her, la 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 la, you need to beat that little Haitian butt. You need to be. I'm quiet, mind you. I'm quiet this whole time, minding my business, telling her to get the hell out of my face, but she's not going to. So I had to show her. They don't call me a teacup for no reason. You feel me? Teacup. That means I was a beast. If you ask for it, I'll get you. Like, I don't care who you are, how big you are. When I was in middle school, high school, I had to protect myself because I seen how it was. You had to. If you were soft, they would have beat you up every single day. And I was not about that life. I was too pretty to get this face all messed up. Feel me? I was like nice and quiet, but everybody know Nerlene is not the type to play with. Anyhow, maybe she didn't get that memo. So here she keep coming with that shoe, and I'm telling her, get out of my face. Like, literally, you're gonna get beat up. Get out of my face. And she's not listening. Next thing I know, I dragged that girl. Literally, I dragged her. You know, the bus is so small, so you only got limited space to do. So here I am just sitting on her. Next thing I know, she's jumping out. I'm gonna get you. I'm like, you should have got me. We were fighting, so why you gotta stop just to tell me you're gonna get me? Like, are you gonna fight or are you done? Like, seriously, are you done? At that point, I was already angry. Are you done? You're not gonna come in my face trying to embarrass me, but when you see you getting your butt whooped, that's when you wanna like think twice. No, you're gonna get that beat down and you're gonna be quiet about it. Point blank. Period. So she's talking about, next thing I know, she picked up the phone. Mind you, my little Haitian behind had no phone at the time. No phone. I don't know how it was for y'all, but me growing Haitian, I did not have a phone probably till I was 18 years old. Buying my own phone. You feel me? Actually, no. I got a job when I was younger. So I would say I probably had a phone when I was about 15, 16, even though I was still in high school when I had my first phone. And then she called her troops. Mind you, I have no phone, so I can't call nobody. I don't have a sister. They're all in different... I have sisters, but they were all in different grades, so they couldn't help me. They could not help me. When I was in high school, when I was in middle school, my sister was already in high school, so I had nobody. I had to defend myself. So I had to put the claws out. You feel me? So when I get out, she have a little crew. Mind you, I did get hit that day. I'm not gonna lie. So like, oh, nobody touched me. No, that's a lie. I did get hit that day. But yum, girl. If you watch this video, you know who you are, yum. You know who you are. We were 13, maybe 12, 13 years old fighting, but you can still remember who you are. I hope you no longer bully nobody. I cannot stand bullies. I've been bullied. I've been bullied for my weight, for the way I do things, for not wearing enough makeup, for this and that. I've been bullied, so I do not like bullies. If you feel like you're gonna be bullied, if you're the bully type, no, I'm not gonna hang out with you. Guys, the point to this story is stay true to yourself. Stay true. No matter what, stay true to yourself. Don't let anybody tell you anything. Like, I have 3 kids. Now I have to be like, oh my God, are they going to experience the same thing? How are they going to react to that? I always tell my kids, don't hit first. Don't bother people. Don't bully people, but protect yourself at all time. Always protect yourself. Have talks with your kids. Don't let them think that they cannot open up to you if they are being bullied in school. You feel me? Talk to them. You've been there. You know how it is. Just because you've been there, that does not mean that things change for them. They could be going through some things too, and you have no idea about it. Why? Because you don't bring up the conversation to them. Open up with your kids. Make them feel comfortable to come to you when something's wrong. Too many kids, too many suicidal going on right now, you know? Me, I was fortunate enough. I had an auntie. My auntie, God bless your soul. If you come home, you tell her somebody bother you, or I used to get suspended too. I used to get suspended because I was not taking nothing. I don't take, like, no. I'm quiet, but don't feel like you run me. No. When you do that, you're gonna piss me off. Like, no, don't do it. It's now, guys, I'm very calm now. Like, it takes a lot to get me pissed off. But the only thing I want you guys to remember, always be true to yourself. Don't let the bullies win. Till now, I don't know if she changed. I pray that she changed. She was horrible. She was horrible, guys. She was horrible. I pray for her. Like, till I moved, she was always picking on me. But sometimes you gotta be the bigger person. Just give them a beat down. Just hit them like hard enough so they don't ever forget. So when they think they're gonna be bullying you again, so that they remember what you did. Don't bully people first. Don't do it. I don't like bullies. Love each other. Care for each other. Help each other. If you see somebody who's getting bullied, say something. If you can't get somebody who can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye. Nerly, love you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.